What happens if interest rates go up and you're doing Smith maneuver? I get this question a lot, and it's funny because there's actually an interesting relationship between interest rates and Smith maneuver. In fact, Smith maneuver was created in the 80s when there was a huge interest rate crisis. Nowadays, interest rates are in the threes and fours, and they're pretty safe, and you can assume that your line of credit is also going to be in a similar range. The only time interest rates are going to become a huge concern in Smith Maneuver is if there's a huge difference between your mortgage interest rate, like you have a remaining 1% interest rate, and your line of credit interest rate, which happens to be at like 5 or 6. If you have a really bad one of those, then the Smith Maneuver interest rates disparity would be really different and really be difficult to overcome. But long term, those rates tend to stay pretty similar. And so there's not a huge difference whether you have high interest rates or low interest rates in terms of the effectiveness of the Smith maneuver until you get to extreme examples in the 15% interest rate zone. Then you might have something to worry about. Until then, Smith maneuver is amazing in almost every scenario, and more people should be looking into it. If you're interested in Smith maneuver already, make sure you're following me because I give away a ton of good information about it. It's something that I believe in and something that you should probably be doing.